103.3 until 10 p.m. tonight. We will be live with you until 10 p.m. And now we are going to hear a special message from Indian international chess player Ankit Dalal.
With us Ankit Dalal from Civil Hospital in Ahmedabad, an international rated chess player and coach. Ankit himself tested positive for COVID 19 in March this year but successfully fought the virus. He is now helping others in their most challenging times. Let's talk to Ankit to know more about service he is providing to the COVID affected people in Ahmedabad. Ankit, welcome to SBS India COVID Appeal Radiothon.
Thank you, Vatsal. Thank you for getting me over here. Yes, I tested positive on 17th of March, which was the second starting of the second wave. And on the first 2 days, almost it was very mild symptoms, and I was hospitalized for 5 days. The doctors thought that I should be administered with remdesivir and all the drugs necessary because I'm an asthmatic patient. And then for 5 days, I was given oxygen and stuff. I was home in home isolation for 10 days.
So, Ankit, what type of social work are you currently doing and how did you get an idea?
So when I was in the hospital bed, the kind of food which was coming in a very good hospital was a very okay quality. So I thought, what about others who are struggling? And then there were friends who really came up and said, okay, can you help people? What you can do is we can give you 5 lunches every day if you can distribute. So from that, I just got this idea, and then I had some friends in civil who were discussing about these conditions in civil at that point of time. In my whole life, I have never visited this hospital because when we think about a public hospital, we don't think about good treatment in India. Yes. So I always thought that this kind of hospitals are dirty and this. So I never came over here. When I came for the very first time on 23rd of April, there were 80 ambulances in queue with oxygen mask, all the patients, and I thought the situation was too bad. So we just started with around 50 lunches and 50 dinners, and then quickly ramped up. So from that day onwards, we started distributing food packets in all the ambulances. When we came over here, the queue in ambulances, majority of patients didn't have food. So they had this oxygen mask, they had the sodium bottles and the treatment bottles going on in the ambulances itself. What we did was we went to each and every ambulances, served food to the patients there in the ambulances. And that's how we started this journey.
How are the emergency team and the civil hospital approach in the tough time?
Okay. I'm sure, Vatsal, you may understand that when I spoke that there were 80 to 90 ambulances in queue, there would be a lot of chaos or there would be a lot of panic in that time. But for the very first time, I was so impressed that not like any professional hospital, civil hospital staff. I mean, this is the biggest hospital in Ahmedabad with having a capacity of more than 3,000 beds. So when we came over here, there was no chaos. There was no, it was so professionally managed, and hats off to all the doctors. While the ambulances were in queue, even if someone would go and tell that the oxygen saturation has dropped to 80, the team of medicos, let me show you the campus. It's like right from there. It was a 1.5 kilometers long queue. What would happen is the doctors would run from there with all the oxygen equipment and the steroids and everything and go and administer in the ambulance so the patients get treatment straight away and do not wait until they are admitted, because you can understand that admitting 80 patients takes hours to admit them. So there was no chaos, everything was in line, they were served. We were serving them the water bottles, we were serving them food, they were administrating. So I think civil did a fantastic job. Most of all the cases which came in over here were critical because their oxygen saturation already dropped from 75 or 85 at that point of time. And majorly people were obese or had diabetic over.
So, Ankit, can you throw some light on the current situation of hospitals in Ahmedabad? Are people getting beds now?
I'm so happy to share this situation right now, and I was not live at that point of time. Otherwise, people would have scared. There was a point of time when civil had only 20 beds out of 3,000 beds. Today, I just saw the dashboard outside. There are more than 12 ICU beds available. There are more than 300 oxygen beds available, and more than 200 to 300 normal beds available. So out of 3,000 facility, there are almost 1,000 beds available at this point of time. And let me tell you, there are no new admissions. There are very less new admissions coming on. So the situation is absolutely under control in civil. When we started this entire activity, we were just serving the patients. Now we are serving relatives and the staff outside who are sitting over here and helping people. And we are also helping the ambulance staff where we are serving food them because they serve 24 hours at the moment. We used to give 600 food packets every single day in civil. Now we hardly do 200. So that's the difference, and that's how the situation has gone down.
Thank you so much, Ankit, for doing such an outstanding work for COVID affected people. You are a true COVID hero.